Hi, thanks for joining me. Here's what we're going to do real quick. I want to learn a little bit more about Toyota Safety Sense, okay? I just did a video on the Toyota the Toyota Tacoma TRD Off-Road. I'll put a link up. And now I'm doing an article on my website. I'll put a link to my website in the description. And I want to dig into this Toyota Safety Sense a little bit more. And I was just going to link directly to this website, but I thought, you know what? Let me do a video so I can, because other people are going to want to know. This is the standard on many new Toyotas, including the Tacoma. I also did the Toyota Camry as well. Let me put a link up to that too. It also had the Toyota Safety Sense. That's a really nice car, by the way. Did it, the real super sporty looking one. Anyway, let's get into this. Comes standard on many new Toyotas. It's a bundle of active safety features included on vehicles at no additional cost. These innovative features were designed to help protect you and your passengers from harm. So, there's several. The first one is pre-collision system with pedestrian detection. And if I press this little thing here, it's going to give us a dramatization of how that works. Say you're not paying attention, this guy's walking, it's going to stop for you. Integrated camera radar system is designed to help reduce the likelihood of colliding with a preceding car or somebody who's not paying attention, or maybe you're not paying attention. It's still cool though. I like that. Pre-collision system with pedestrian detection. Lane departure alert. A camera on the windshield may help you avoid the consequences of unintended lane departure by alerting you when it senses that you're veering from the lane. Let's check that out again. And it's going to yeah, there you go. All right, cool. Automatic high beams. A camera on your windshield aids nighttime driving by using a camera to detect headlights and taillights of preceding vehicles and toggling accordingly between high and low beams. So it's not going to be blinding out the guy in front of you. You always hate that when somebody has their high beams on right in your rearview mirror, and they can see that too. They just keep them on. Anyway, dynamic radar cruise control. This high-tech cruise control uses radar behind the Toyota badge, plus a camera on the windshield designed to adjust your speed, helping you maintain a preset distance from the car in front of you. All right. Let's see how that works. Yep. And, it's just going to track you, so you're not going to just be too close or whatever. Roadside Assist. Using a forward-facing intelligent camera, Roadside Assist is designed to detect speed limit signs, stop signs, do not enter signs, and yield signs, and display them on the MID. That's the multi-informational display. That's right in the center, right in between your speedometer and your tachometer. It's right there in the middle. Okay. Let's see. What's next? Lane tracing assist. And this looks like to be the last one. When full speed range dynamic radar cruise control is enabled and lane markers are visible, lane tracing assist uses the lines on the road and preceding vehicles to help keep the vehicle centered in its lane. Let's check that. Well, you really swerved on that one, didn't you? I think we missed this last one too, roadside assist. Let me check it out. It lets you know, and so that puts that up in the MID, in the multi-informational display. So that's cool. So yeah, that is this is Toyota Safety Sense, and it's their whole suite of apps. Oh, let's see what vehicles it's on real quick. They show it. Feature availability. So on cars and minivans, you've got the Yaris, the Corolla, the hatchback version, the Prius, the Camry, the Prius Prime, the Avalon. I also did the Avalon too. Also a nice car. Let me throw up a link to that. And then also the Sienna minivan. And then the trucks, you've got the Tacoma, which I just did, and then the Tundra. As far as crossovers, you got the CHR. I think I did that too. I think I did that. I'm just going to plug up to the playlist, I think. It'll be easier. The RAV4, the Highlander, the Land Cruiser, the Sequoia. I like the Sequoias. Those are sweet. I need to do that. And there's the Highlander hybrid. Okay. And then we have these other hybrids here in the Prius. So a lot of vehicles come standard with Toyota Safety Sense. Okay. So I'm going to wrap this video up. If you found this content helpful, like it, share it, and subscribe to my channel. I'd really appreciate it. Have a wonderful day.